Hi everybody, today I will show you how to customize home page in WordPress. So let's just begin. Okay, so first of all, you have to log in into your WordPress account, and first of all, we have to look at our home page here. So let's click on the widget side, and we have this our home page on this new tab. As you can see this home page here. All right. But if you're seeing the new post instead of the home page, go back to your dashboard. And from here, you have to go inside the settings. As you can see the reading here. So let's click on the reading. And here, as you can see, the two options in the homepage display. So if you have selected your latest post, all you need to do is to select a static page, and then you have to select the page or your homepage from here. Okay, so that is it. If you see the latest post on the homepage or the base URL. All right. Okay, so how can we customize the homepage? So there are the four different ways to customize the homepage. The first one is really simple. You can see this customize button. All you need to do is to click here. Now you can see this customizer here. So I'm actually using the Astro theme. That is why I'm having these options. So you might have the different options. It actually depends on the theme that you're using. But if you're using the Astro theme, you will be having these options here. So from here, I can simply customize the header. I can customize the footer here. And I also have the global settings. We have the breadcrumb, we have the block, we have the page sidebar. So let's click on the header builder first. So in the header builder, you can actually set the site title and the logo and the primary menu. And you can also make the transparent header if you want to. All right. And if you want to customize the design, all you need to do is to click here. And from here, you can see that we can customize the width. We can add the margin here. So let's go back. And if I just go inside the global here, you can see that I have the typography, I have the color, container, button. So let's click on the colors here. So from here, I can simply change the color of my theme. So you can see that I have this global palette. So if I want to change the color here, so if I just change the style here, you will see the difference in the color. Okay. So these colors are actually darker now. So let's click on the style one here. And you can change the theme colors from here. So you can change the surface color. So in the surface color, you can change the side background and the content background. Okay. So let's go back. And we also have the typography here. So if you want to change the typography, you can simply do it from here. So let's go back, and you can also explore the other options here. So let's click on the buttons here. So in the buttons, as you can see that we have this different button presets. So you can change the text color, background color, and the border color of the button. And you can also add the padding, border width, and the border radius. All right, so this is how you can customize the button. So let's click on this button preset. You will be able to see the change here. All right, so let's just go back to the default value. Okay, so this is how you can customize the button. Okay, so you can also explore the other options here. All right, so let's just close this. Okay, so that was the first way to customize the homepage. So now we will discuss the second method and the third method simultaneously, because you have to understand the difference between the second method and the third method. So in the second method and the third method, we will be using the page builder, but in the second method, we will be using the block editor, which is the default page builder of the WordPress. And in the third method, we will be using the Elementor. Okay, so what is the difference between them? Okay, so first of all, I actually have to go inside the plugins from here. And from here, I actually have to go inside the libraries of the starter templates. So the starter template actually give you the pre-built templates that you can simply use or import in your website. All right. Okay, so now you can see the options here. You can see the option of the block editor, and you can see the option of Elementor, and you can also see the option of behavior builder. So these are actually the page builders, and these are actually the templates of that particular page builder. So if I just select the block editor here, it simply means that these templates are actually compatible with the block editor, which simply means that I can easily customize these design with the help of block editor without breaking the designs or breaking the layouts. But if I just change from the block editor to Elementor, you will be able to see the different templates here. So now these templates are actually compatible with the Elementor. So if you try to customize these templates with the block editor, the layout of the template may break out. Okay, so let me just show you the example here. Okay, so let me just import the template here. So let's click here. Alright, so our website is ready right now. So let's click on the view your website. Okay, so now you can see our website here. So this is the home page of our website. So we have imported this template. Okay, so we will actually edit this template with the Elementor and with the block editor, and then you will be able to see the difference between them. Okay, so if I just click on the pages here, and in the pages, let's click on the all pages, and you can see that we have these pages here. So right now we have this home page. So if I just click on the view page, so this is the home page of our website right now. And remember that we imported the template that was compatible with the Elementor, not the block editor. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard here. Alright, so as you can see the home page here. So if I just try to edit this with the Elementor, the page with the Elementor, and you can see this is the Elementor editor, and this is our home page here. Alright, so this is looking perfect. Okay, so if you want to edit the page here, you can simply do it. That is really easy. So if I just want to change the text here, I'll just simply click here, and now you can see that I can change the text from here if I wanted to. Okay, so this is how it works. And if you want to add the link to the text, you can do it. You can change the size here, and you can change the style here, and you can also go through the advanced settings. And in a similar way, if you want to play around with the button here, you can change the background color of the button, and you can change the text of the button from here. You can add the link, you can set the alignment, and you can also see the other options here, and you can also change the styling of the button from here. Alright, so this is how you can customize the button in the Elementor editor. And if you want to edit the paragraph, you can simply click on the paragraph, and from here you can change the text. You can add the background image to the text, and you can see this. We have this title link, and if you want to change the styling of our paragraph, you can also do it in the style from here. Alright, so we have these images. So in the images, you can simply change the image from here. You can change the size of the image. So we have the caption, link, and if you want to change the styling of the image, you can simply do it from here. Alright, so you can explore the other options here. And if you want to add the new section, all you need to do is to click on this add new section, and then you have to select the structure, whether you want to have the 2-column structure or the 3-column or the single column. So if I just select on the 2-column structure, you can see that I have these 2 sections here. And if I just click here, and I just wanted to add the heading, I'll just simply drag this and put this in the section. Okay, so this is how you can add the elements using the Elementor. So if I just try to add the image on the other side, I'll simply drag this and put the image here, and from here I can simply select the image. Okay, so this is how we can use the Elementor editor to customize our homepage. So we'll just delete both of these sections because we don't need this right now. So let's click on the update. Alright, so let's close this. Alright, so we have learned to customize the homepage with the Elementor. But if I just try to do the same thing with the block editor, so let's just click on the edit here, and it would navigate us to the block editor. So as we know that this template is actually compatible with the Elementor, as you can see this. But if I just try to edit this with the block editor, so if I just click on this, you can see the warning here. So if I just switch to the WordPress default editor, which is actually the block editor, my current layout, design, and the content might break. Okay, so let's click on the continue. And you can see the difference here. This is how our home page is looking in the block editor. As you can see that the design is actually broken. So if I just click on the preview here, you can see the difference here, that when we try to edit or customize the template which is compatible with the Elementor, if I try to edit this with the block editor, it actually ruined the design of our template. So you can see the difference here. So the template is actually not compatible. So that is why you have to know the difference here, that if a template is actually compatible with the Elementor, then you have to customize that with the Elementor. But if that is compatible with the block editor, then you have to customize that in the block editor. Okay, so now what I need to do, I'll simply go with another template here. But now this template will be compatible with the block editor. So let's click on the block editor here. And from here, we can simply select any template. All right. So I just simply go with this template here. All right. So our template is ready. So let's click on the view your website. So you can see this new home page. So let's just scroll down and you can see this home page here. So this is actually compatible with the block editor. So if I just go back into the dashboard and let's just click on the view page. So we have this home page here. So let's go back. And if I just click on the edit here, and from here you can see the difference here that our template or the home page is actually compatible with the block editor. So I can simply customize this from here. So if I just try to change this heading, you can see this. I can simply remove this and I can add anything from here. You can see this. So this is how it is working. So it is completely compatible with the block editor. Okay, so if I just scroll down and try to edit the other things here, so I can simply edit the text here if I wanted to. You can see this. This is actually the heading. And if I want to change the position of this heading, I can simply do it from here. So I can move it down if I wanted to. And I can copy paste this. And I can also highlight this text if I wanted to. And I can make the text look bold, italic. And you can see that I can also add the attachment or the link with this heading. And you can also see the other options here. So we can do the highlight, we can do the inline code, inline image, and you can see the other options here. All right, so we also have the options in these three dots. Okay, so this is how you can edit the template or the home page with the block editor. So if I just try to change the image here or edit the image here, you can see this, we have this image. So if I want to change the image, I can simply do it from here. And I can change the alignment of the image from here. So we have the layout of the image, we have the size of the image, and we have the alt text, we have the height, and we can enable the caption as well. And if you want to change the style of the image, I can simply do it from here. You can see this. We have these options in the styling of our image. And if I want to change the text or the paragraph, now you can see this. We have this content here. So we can change the alignment here. I can change the heading tag here. And we also have the option to explore the subheadings. So you can see this. We can change the position of the subheading from here. So we also have the separator. And if I just change the styling of this heading, I can simply click on the style here, and from here I can change the color, I can change the typography, I can change the text shadow, and we have the bottom spacing, and you can also explore these other options from here. Alright, so this is how you can edit or customize the home page with the block editor. Okay, so if I wanted to add the elements or the block in this home page, I would just simply click on this add block. And from here, you can see this, I have the option of the paragraph. I can add the heading. I can add the group gallery, separator. So if I just want to browse all, you can see this, I have these different options here. So I can simply add any option here. So right now, I just want to add the image here. So I'll just simply click on the image and I can upload the image from my computer. I can upload it from the media library, and I can also insert the image using the URL. So right now, let's click on the media library. All right, so let's just click on this icon here. Let's select this, and you can see this. We can simply add the image here, and in the similar way, you can add the heading. So if I just click on the add block again, I can add the paragraph. I can add the heading here. So let's click on the heading right now. So sample. So this is how you can add the block here in the block editor. And if I just wanted to change the alignment of my heading, I can simply do it from here. So you can see this, I have this wide width and I have this full width. So if I just click on the full width, it will actually occur the full width of the web page. So right now, just click on the none, and I can change the element from here. So right now it is H2, and if I just click on the H6, it would change the heading from H2 to the H6. So let's click on the H3 right now. And if I want to change the alignment of the text, I can simply do it from here. So you can see this, I can put it into the center, into the right. And I also have the option to copy the style from here. So I can make this text look bold. So if I just select this and click on the italic, now you can see this, the text is italic. And if I wanted to add the link to my text, I can simply do it. And you can also explore the other options here. So in the similar way, you can edit the image from here. All right, so you can explore these options from here. So let's delete both of these things from here. Okay, so let's try to remove the text here. Click here, and from here, let's click on the remove heading. All right, so if I just click on the update and click on the preview, you will be able to see our homepage here. All right, so this is how we can use the block editor to customize our homepage. Okay, so we have discussed the three different methods. So now we're going to talk about the last method that is pretty easy. and that only works with the themes of the block editor. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard and we have to change our theme here. So from here, I have to select the theme that actually works with the block editor. So I will just simply go with this one. So let's click on the activate here. And if I just try to refresh my home page, you can see the different theme here. Okay, so we have simply changed the theme. So that is why we are having this layout. So let's go back to here. So how can we edit the theme that supports the block editor? Is that we can simply click on the customize here. Okay, so you can see this editor right now. So let's click on the save here. Alright, so if I just try to click on any element here, you can see this editor here. So this editor only works with the theme that are compatible with the block editor. So from here, I can actually customize the header if I wanted to. So you can see this, we have this header here. You can edit the header from here. So if I just click on the edit, you can see we have this header section here. Let's go back. And if I just try to click on any content here, so let's click on this paragraph. You can see these options of the customization here. But in this editor, we have this options of the styles. Okay, so from here, I can customize the typography of the whole homepage. I can change the colors of the homepage. I can change the layout of the homepage. So if I just click on the typography here, you can see this. If I wanted to change the typography of the text, links, heading, or the buttons, so I can simply do it from here. So right now, let's just click on the text here. And you can see this, we have this font, we have size medium. So if I just wanted to change the font here, I'll just simply click on this and you will be able to see the change in the text of homepage. So now you can see this, we have this different font in our homepage right now. All right, so if I just try to edit the colors of our homepage, I can simply do it from here. All right, so if I just want to change the background color, you can see this, I can simply do this from here. All right. And if I just try to change the layout here, I can also do it from here. So we can add the padding from here. If I wanted to change the width of the content from here, I can simply do it from here. Alright, so this is how we can use this editor to customize our homepage. But you have to remember that this editor only supports the themes that are compatible with the block editor. Alright, so this is it for this video. So in this video, we learned the different ways of customizing the homepage. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Block editor